What's up, everybody? Dave from Sandric Cemetery. Obviously, update on the sign for 2019. 2-inch PVC to hold it up. Some caps. I sanded off the manufacturing name of the PVC. In the back, 3/4 of an inch PVC screwed 4 points to the 2-inch, and the foam board's held on by spray foam, as I stated in the first video. All even, just my garage floor is uneven, so that's that. And for the inside, to post it into the yard, since 2-inch PVC is so big, I'm going to put 1-inch PVC insert up into the 2 inches, and then within this inch PVC I'm going to get inch rebar to put to the ground into this 1 inch. This way the inch rebar isn't banging around inside when the wind blows. The 1 inch will hold it more secure. So that's the plan. My only other thing I'm going to do to it, of course, is age the sign, but I have these finials left over from putting on top of my fence to the cemetery. I think I'm going to add those on top so they match the fence. Hopefully it's not too gaudy looking, but I think it's kind of cool. There's the final sign. Sorry for the noise in the background. Finished the cemetery sign. Some dry brushing, you can see to age it with black, some green. I don't know if you can pick up on the colors, it's kind of in a shadow. And then I added some of this moss down at the bottom, and then only to one side, because normally moss only grows on one side of something, or on top where it's in a shadow. So I didn't put much over there. Just some down here at the bottom and on that side. So I'm calling this done. Thanks for everyone who's been watching and commenting, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.